Hello everybody, welcome to Microbe Peeps. Today we're going to be peeping at something that, at about 1.5 mm probably doesn't really qualify as a microbe. So I guess we're breaking the rules a little bit. But who doesn't love breaking the rules a little bit? In that case, today we're going to be talking about copepods. Copepods, like the ones you see in the video here, are tiny crustaceans, like crabs, shrimp, and lobsters. They live in freshwater and saltwater environments all around the world, and they make up part of the zooplankton that feed a lot of larger creatures. One copepod in particular has really done very well for himself, as Sheldon J. Plankton from the SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon. You might be wondering, what are these sacs hanging off the abdomen of the copepod that's in this video? Well, those are egg sacs. From one of the eggs in these egg sacs will hatch a tiny copepod larva called a nauplius. If we zoom in a little closer on this nauplius, we can see how cute they look. It almost looks like he has a little smile and buck teeth, but they won't stay cute forever. After molting their skin a couple of times, they end up looking like this. Oh my God, it looks like the Predator alien. Well, fortunately, like a teenager going through puberty, they won't look hideous forever. Eventually, after a few molts, they'll look like a miniature version of the adult copepod. Notice between the antenna in the middle of the forehead, there's the single eye for which the copepod receives its common name, Cyclops. Did you see that? I cannot believe this Cyclops just pooped during my video. What a way to ruin the shot. You know what? I'm keeping it. I hope you've enjoyed this trip through the life cycle of a copepod, and I hope you've learned something and maybe had a little fun also. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I'd love it if you'd even subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time on Microbe Peeps.